If you are building your funnel only around deals, you're missing the bigger picture because deals don't create demand, leads do. Hey folks, welcome back to HubSpot Shortcuts with me. The traditional funnel is deal obsessed. Everything starts and ends with one question: can we close this? But here's the truth. The real funnel starts before the deal, and it keeps going after the deal is closed. That's why smart revenue teams use both the lead object to manage interest and intent, and the deal object to manage the transaction itself. They work together, but they're not the same. So lead object equals relationships, where they are in the journey, what the content have they consumed, how engaged they are. The deal object equals transaction. Are they buying now? What's the amount and expected close date? What stage they are in the pipeline? When you focus only on the deal object, you treat every contact like they are ready to buy, but they're not. That leads to a wasted time, pushy sales, and way lower close rates. So the better strategy: start with the lead object, qualify, educate, nurture, and then when they're ready, only then create the deal. That's the Bowtie model in action. Lead first, deal later. Here's how you can make it. Make a workflow, and then whenever, let's say, a form submission happens, we check in 2 branches. If the lead score is higher than 80 points, then we automatically can create a deal and assign it to the contact owner. Send an in-app notification to the contact owner that, hey, we created an opportunity for this contact with their company name, and send it to the salesperson. Set the lifecycle stage to opportunity, meaning that we have a deal already. Setting the lifecycle stage of the company as well to opportunity, of course. This is on the contact level. This is on the company level. And then we can send them a book a demo email automatically to the customer. That's one. And then on the left side, if the score is less than 80, we can nurture them until they become 80 and they're ready to become a deal. So this is all automated and can be built in HubSpot. We keep nurturing them all the time, every 7 days, until their score increases, they raise hand or download something. So that's it. So what's the difference between a messy pipeline and a revenue engine? It's how you use the lead and the deal objects. Use both the right way and your funnel flows. On July 29th, we'll break all this down in a live webinar. Why your funnel is costing you revenue, the Bowtie fix with HubSpot and Salesforce. You will learn about understanding the Bowtie funnel, define low, medium, and high touch journeys, set it all up in HubSpot and Salesforce, track what really drives revenue. If you're in marketing, sales, or revenue operations, you should join. The spots are limited. And don't forget to subscribe for a weekly HubSpot shortcut. Bye.